welcome back. So today I am going to do some no-cook meal prep. This is good for if you don't want to heat the house up, because right now it's hot in Denver again and I really don't feel like heating the house up. So I'm going to do a couple of no-cook meal preps. This is going to be number one. And so in this one, it's basically a hummus plate. And so in this one, I'm going to, you can put any kind of hummus you want. You can make your own, or you can use store-bought. As you can see, this was on sale because it expires, but it's hummus, so I'll be all right. And so in these, like I said, there's gonna be some hummus. I'm gonna put it over there in that little section by itself. I'm going to take some pita bread. I'm gonna wrap it up in a paper towel, just kind of help keep it away from everything else. Everything else is dry, but you never know. And you could put some olives in there. And it's also gonna have small snacking cherry tomatoes and cucumbers, but I don't put the tomatoes in there because they don't do well in the fridge. Tomatoes aren't made for the fridge. And then I'll put the cucumbers in there. So I've always got these out on the counter. And so when I pull this tray out, I'll have my tomatoes right there. I'll just throw them in there with it and we're good to go. And that is gonna be the first no-cook meal prep for this week. So I'm gonna make these up. I'll be back with you here in just a little bit. I'll show you the charcuterie one that I'm gonna be making as well. So that way I can have a hummus plate for lunch or a charcuterie plate for lunch and then the other one for dinner. So I'll be back with you here in just a couple minutes. All right, everyone, welcome back. I do just want to point out in that last little segment, I called it pita bread. It's actually not, it's naan bread. So this is gonna be the charcuterie board meal prep. And as you can see, I've got some cheeses, a couple different types of meat, some dried apricots, some nuts, and then a couple different types of crackers. Now, like with the tomatoes, crackers don't go so well in the fridge, so I leave these out and I'll have access to them. You could put them in here if you put them in like a plastic bag. Like I said, because I'm home and I'm just eating them at home, I'm going to leave them in the box and I'll eat them when I get ready. So, like I said, I'm going to have some fruit and some nuts. You can use any type of fruit, any type of nuts you want. That's just what I had on hand, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then a couple of different slices of cheese, and then a couple of pieces of salami. These are like turkey pepperoni bites, I think. And then there you go. There you have it. And like I said, you'll have your crackers with it, and there is your charcuterie no-cook meal prep. Easy, simple, quick. This will make your meal prep go fast. You don't have to really do anything. Stick it in the fridge and there you go. So I hope you all have a good rest of your week. Make some charcuterie board meal preps and some hummus plate meal preps and have a good week. Enjoy the rest of your day. All right, thanks so much. Bye-bye.